My name is Gina, and I would like to officially welcome you to Seasoned Beauties. If this is your first time visiting with us on today, welcome. Thank you for stopping by. If you are returning, thank you so much. A girl really does appreciate the fact that you decided to come on back. Now, either way, if you are currently not subscribed to Seasoned Beauties, go ahead and hit that subscribe button below. Become a part of the family. We'd be more than happy to have you. And there's more than enough room on this family tree just for you. Now, first of all, I apologize for any noise that you may hear. I am not in my regular recording space. I have some work going on there. So because of that, I am in another spot. So if it gets to be a little loud or a little noisy, my apologies. Now, moving right along. The reason for this video right now, I just want to give you a little reminder of the items that are being given away. Why? Because the 10th is the cutoff date. And the 11th, we will be choosing our winners. Okay? Now, this is the December to Remember 4-category giveaway. Now, those categories consisted of hair, skin, a gift card, and full face of makeup. All right, now we're going to go through so I can show you exactly what those items look like, and also to give you a little something to think about and let me know what your opinion of it will be. Now, it's very important that you answer that question as quickly as possible, okay? The very first category is the face category. And in that one, we will be giving away the Reka Illuminating Turmeric Polish, which is a facial scrub. And that's this one right here. And then we will be giving away the Tony Moly Intense Care 24 karat gold snail hydrogel mask. That is a mouthful, okay? And that's this item right here, okay? Then the last item, possibly, in the skincare is the CEO Glow by Sunday Riley. And this particular one is vitamin C plus turmeric, okay? And this is the face oil. Now, I think I might have a little something extra that'll be going in this box. But nonetheless, these are the 3 guaranteed items in the face category. The second one is the full face of makeup. And in that one, you would be getting the Moira Stargazing Dream Series palette. That's this one right here. And I'm not swatching anything because this doesn't belong to me. It belongs to one of you, but I will open it up so that you can see the shades. Now I'm just going to take the cover and put it over top of the mirror so you'll be able to see the shades without being blinded by the mirror. Okay? And these are some beautiful shades. Okay? Here we go. So hopefully the lighting is doing it some justice. Okay? So here are the shades. Okay? Then you will get an eyeliner. This is so cool. Okay? Take it off. Here's your eyeliner brush. Your product is inside. I don't want to open it because I don't want it to start to, dry out. That's up to you when you open it. The shade is actually black. Okay? I don't know how well you can see that, but it's very black. Okay, and then you also have a Bella Pierre Volume Lash Waterproof Mascara and a Appeal Gel Liner in Forest Green. Okay, and then the last item is by Dirty Little Secrets, and this one is a baked highlighter. Okay, let's see. We'll open the box, but not the package. And I don't know how well you'll be able to see that shade, but this is it. It's rather beautiful. Okay, and that is the face full of makeup. Then the hair product consists of a full box from Curlbox. And this particular one, I'm excited to give this away. It is jam-packed, okay? I'm just telling you, it's jam-packed. And this one is the Palmer's Cocoa Butter Formula, Cocoa Butter and Biotin Length Retentioning System. How about this? 5 products inside, and they consist of the Shine Glaze Serum, the leave-in conditioner. This one is a spray, and that one is an 8.5 ounce size. The serum is a 3.4 fluid ounce size. Then you have the conditioner. This one says instant moisture and softness with vitamin E and antioxidants, and it is color safe. This one is a 12 ounce size. Then the shampoo. This one is also a 12 ounce size. And the final item in there is the cream styler. It says creamy formula for coil definition. No sulfates, no parabens, no mineral oil, no gluten, no dye, and no silicone. And this is a 7 ounce size. So this is a pretty hefty box. Fantastic. Let me tell you something. It's only because I love y'all, because I certainly could use this entire system myself, but I love you enough to pass it on. Okay, I am going to leave the information for Curlbox inside and all of the details, including the card. Okay, now, so the last item is a gift card from Ulta, and that is designed for my international subbies. Okay, so I'm excited for you to be able to get that as well. Now, those are the items. Giveaway closes on January the 10th. You can participate in any or all, but you can only win one of them. Okay, I'm just saying, you can only win one, but it is available for you, my subbies, and I really want to say thank you so much. I appreciate you. Now, here's the thing. I told you I had something I wanted you to think about and respond to. I have put it out there to see if you would like to do and see the giveaway winners live. Okay, we will be choosing our giveaway recipients, our giveaway winners, we will let you know live who has won. Now, if you'd like to participate in that one, let me know as soon as you can, okay? Because it will be done on Saturday, because midnight Eastern Standard Time on January the 10th, the giveaway will come to a close. And then on Saturday, we will choose our winner live. And I do believe that's going to be around 3:00 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Okay? Now, I was asked if it would take place on Instagram, but not all of my subbies have Instagram. So we'll definitely do it here on YouTube. And I will put a link on Instagram, so anybody who would like to watch it after the fact, if you're not sure, there'll be a link there. So, I'm excited. I can't wait to find out who's actually going to win. I hope that everyone has followed the instructions. Everyone that enters, you must be subscribed here on YouTube to Seasoned Beauties, as well as you must follow me on Instagram, also at Seasoned Beauties. And there are a couple guidelines underneath those videos. So, come on, guys. Get your last minute giveaway entrant. Is that the right word? Okay, make sure you enter. Make sure you enter by midnight, January the 10th. If you did not, I'm sorry, but it will be over. So, I thank you for spending time with me on today. I do hope that I've given you some information that is exciting for you, as well as very informative, okay? Now, regardless of the season that you are in, you will always be a seasoned beauty. Until next time.